Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack. Today I will be showing you how to import Chrome bookmarks to Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is open up your Brave browser into your device or computer. Now over here, you can just simply go to the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And then over here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and go for the bookmark and lists. And now here a side tab will show up and you will have an option over here, import bookmarks and settings. Click on it. And from here, as you can see, you will have the drop down over here. We'll have the Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, and other option. So I'm going to go for Google Chrome. And from here, just make sure to select the bookmarks over here. And you could also import the extensions and history based on your preferences and select import in order for you to proceed. And right after that, as you can see, you could go ahead and select show bookmarks or not and select done, and you should be able to have it over here. And pretty much you should be able to import it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.